Puerto Vallarta is simply a one-of-a-kind travel experience. Unlike other beach destinations in the world, Puerto Vallarta has maintained its origins as a genuine port town, has a rich history, culture, and the heart of the real Mexico. Also known as Villarda or simply PV, it manages to retain a small-town feel while boasting one of Mexico's most unique and sophisticated ocean fronts. Puerto Vallarta is one of the few locations in Mexico where mountains, jungles, and the sea meet. Spend time sampling the delectable cuisine, discovering a hidden boutique in the Zona Romantica, drinking a signature cocktail at a bar along the Malecón, or dancing to the sound of a salsa beat in a Havana-style nightclub. Let's quickly dive in and get started on the top 5 things to do in Puerto Vallarta. Experience the heart and soul of the original Puerto Vallarta by taking a trip back in time to the oldest neighborhood of the city, the Zona Romantica. It is one of the most visually appealing areas of the city. Historic buildings line the cobblestone streets and alleys, each topped with the city's signature red tile roofs. Purple bougainvillea blossoms arch over side streets, adding a splash of color to the scene. This place is also home to the city's most famous beaches, restaurants, art galleries and luxury hotels. Marina Villarda is a 450-slip marina with slips varying in length from 30 to 140 feet. The marina features a beautiful promenade, as well as numerous impressive yachts, sailboats, charter boats, and a number of watercraft operated by various Puerto Vallarta tour operators. The marina's long, well-paved boardwalk area is a perfect place to take a morning or afternoon stroll. The Elvira Lighthouse is one of the most famous tourist spots here, with a nice lounge at the top accompanied by breathtaking panoramic views. Marina Villarda Club de Golf, an 18-hole championship golf course designed by Joe Finger with lush green gardens and natural lagoons with alligators, herons, sea geese, and iguanas, is located there. Thanks to its warm waters, exotic natural beauty, and top-notch facilities that fit in with its warm hospitality, Puerto Vallarta is an internationally well-known beach destination. There are several beaches to explore and choose from, each with its own charm. Some are only accessible by sea, concealed, and surrounded by magical landscapes, while others have a lot of buzz happening around them. One such beach is the Los Gemelos beach, with transparent turquoise waters and a spot to relax and enjoy the natural beauty. Punta Mita is another isolated luxury getaway located just north of Puerto Vallarta that is home to the glitziest beachside hotels you'll find near PV. Puerto Vallarta is a stunning, art-filled city full of all kinds of beauty, and no visit is complete without a stroll along the Malecón, the city's cultural jewel. The Malecón, which begins just a few miles south of the newer section of town known as Nuevo Vallarta and is located on the outskirts of the historic section of town, is easily accessible from many of the resorts. Along the way, visitors can take in breathtaking views of the Bay of Banderas and jungle-covered mountains, admire the city's spectacular red-tiled roofs, walk past several of the city's hottest restaurants, and see sculptures, beaches, and live street performances. It's also really walkable, being just a mile long. It's the ideal way to get out and explore more traditional Mexican culture at any time of day. Puerto Vallarta is one of the most popular beach resort destinations in Mexico. That being said, finding your own private stretch of sand can be challenging at times. But that's where Yalapa comes in, one of Puerto Vallarta's best-kept secrets and a favorite hideaway for locals. What keeps this hidden is the fact that it is only accessible by sea. Yalapa is a peaceful stretch of sand 20 miles south of Puerto Vallarta. You can visit this beach from the Los Muertos Pier or from Boca de Tomatlan, a fishing village south of Puerto Vallarta. If you're looking to get away from the city's noise, people, and craziness, this small secluded town may be just what you're looking for.